Hey there YouTube. Today I'm doing a video review of this Trudeau 12 count muffin pan. Here's the UPC for the item. And these are nice because they're made out of silicone and you can push out your muffins, and they also have some type of metal or something in there to give them rigidity, so you don't have to put the pan on a pan. Note that the temperature limit of these are 428 degrees Fahrenheit. This recipe calls for 425, so right there at that limit. It should be noted that you do not use cooking spray. We did practice one off camera to make sure we wouldn't mess up pushing it out, and let's see how easy this is on the other ones. Wow. Can you just press the whole pan down and then pick them off? No.
They're perfect.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, we'll bite into them and see if they're perfect. So pecans. No pecans.
So, 12 for 12? No problems. Thanks for watching.